friends, uh, hey friends, I am come again with Multitool. Here I have Multitool, which have many tools. Basically, I have player and have it have also, you can see this server, this cork opener, this uses screwdriver. This is saw, metal saw for cutting metal or wood, etc. And the other side of this we have this sharp plate for cutting vegetables, fruits, and this requires something. This is I think this is used as screwdriver. Okay, and this is either. Wow, this is Caesar. Wow, very small Caesar we have. Cutting clearly. Wow, it's amazing. Amazing. Okay, I hope you will pleasure to watch this video. I will give you many other videos. Okay.